plug it into the other equation. Because look what happens, David. I will have 3x minus 6 minus x is equal to 10. Now, you see I've now eliminated the y. So I go and rewrite the equation. 3x minus 6 plus x is equal to 10. Therefore, 4x is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Okay, so I have now found the x value that satisfies both of those equations. I'm not finished yet, Lundi. Why? What must I still find? I must still find the y value. So what I do now is I take this x value and I go and plug it in there. So then I'll have y is equal to 6 minus 4, and you get your calculator out, equals 2. Second equation, second set of equations. Now again, you want to go and rewrite one of those equations so that one of the variables is alone. Okay, so what you're going to say is x will equal 2 plus y. Okay, so that becomes equation 3. Okay, now what you do is very simple. You take this value and you substitute in there. Just be careful now because of the 2. So it's going to become 2 brackets 2 plus y is equal to 10. So Yurama, 4 plus 2y plus y is equal to 10. Okay. 4 plus 2y plus y is equal to 10. Now in this case we're going to use the elimination method. First thing is that the other method, the substitution method, will also work. But in some cases the elimination method is easier. So what you do is you draw a line. And what you want to do is you want to change the second equation so that when you add the two together, the one disappears. So watch what happens if I go and multiply the second equation by minus 1. That's going to become negative. That's going to become plus. And this is going to become negative 5. Okay? Then, if I add the two equations, 3x plus minus 2x gives us x. Minus y plus y, 0. 4 minus 5, minus 1. So by changing the second equation, I was able to get rid of the y's, which is very wise, because now I can simply substitute back, those of you who are awake, And you could choose any equation. I substitute it back. Minus 2 times minus 1 is 2. Plus y is equal to minus 5. Minus? Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have those two equations now. Okay. We're going to change the second equation. To change the first will lead us to fractions. Don't like fractions. Gives me a headache. Okay? So, we're going to change the second equation. What am I going to do to the second equation so that if I add the two together, the y's disappear? How much? Negative 3. Okay. So we leave the 7x